Hi, Tim Blankenship here with divorce661.com, and today we're talking about court agreements. So let me give this to you two ways. I get two questions. One is, Tim, what will the court say about our agreement? Meaning, once we turn in our agreement, what will the court say when they review it? Will they approve it? Are they going to look at it, etc.? And the other is, what will the court say is another way people say this. So two things. They'll say, Tim, what would the court say we need to do in this particular situation? Or in the alternative, they'll say, this is what we want to do, but what will the court say about our agreement? So it kind of sounds like the same thing, but I want to address this issue. When you handle your case amicably, say through our service, number one, if you're in agreement, you're not going to go to court. We're going to handle all of that for you. But the court is not going to look at your agreement. They're going to look sure and make sure it's procedurally correct, that it was served correctly, the documents were prepared properly, all the discovery and disclosures were done properly, filed and served and all that. But at the end of the day, it's just a rubber stamp of your agreement. So let's talk about two things. So first, assets and debt division. The courts do not care if you guys have an equal division of assets and debts if you guys are in agreement. While community property laws in California state that everything's to be divided 50-50, many of our clients do a couple things. They come up with an agreement that is fair to them, and it may not be even. If you're looking at an asset and debt chart, it's not going to be completely even. Some people just say, Tim, I'm going to keep what I have. He or she's going to keep what she has, and we're just going to call it a day. And you get to have that ability to make those types of decisions when your case is amicable. So when you're going through a divorce in California and you're in agreement, the sky's the limit as far as the agreement you guys want to come to. It's going to be completely up to you guys. And in fact, when we submit your property division to the courts, we don't even give the court the values. All we give them is the name of the account, asset or debt you're keeping, and the last four digits of the account. So even if the court was to have to make a decision on that, we're not even providing them the values to be able to see if it's fair or not. So that just further shows you that it's not about fairness in the court's eye, it's about fairness in you and your spouse's eye. Tim Blankenship, divorce661.com. Thanks for listening, and please call us if you need assistance with your divorce anywhere in California. Talk to you soon.